American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. My name is Anthony Rubio, and we're gonna go and do a demonstration on our 2010 Ford F-750 with a Cummins 6.7 automatic transmission. Chassis is equipped with an Altec LRV-60E70. It is a 75-foot working height elevator with a chip box forestry package. This truck has been fleet maintained, one owner, ready to go to work. Again, automatic transmission, 6.7 Cummins, 65,000 original documented miles on chassis. Inspection done last year, ready to go to work. Brand new tires all the way around, all six, no recaps. Brand new tires. This truck has been gone through mechanically and cosmetically, ready to go to work. Put fuel in it, load your crew and your tools, and you're ready to go to work. On this truck, I do offer financing, shipping, and export. If you'd like to get more information on that, you can give me a call at 954-706-0081. The number will be listed at the bottom of this video. Financing is through a commercial loan. Very competitive rates. We do work with startups as well. Now, if you'd like to fly in, take a look at the truck, fly and drive home, please fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Airport code is FLL. We'll actually be able to pick you up from the airport. I can offer a 30-day temporary tag on this truck, so you have 30 days to register it within your state. We do not collect sales tax for out-of-state deals. Go ahead and get the engine bay open. Again, brand new tires all the way around. Ready to go to work. Fully serviced. Cummins 6.7 Superior motor. This truck has been demonstrated to make sure when you get to the job site, you won't have any issues. Again, this truck's being offered by American Trucks and Equipment. We're located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Again, this truck is automatic, 65,000 original documented miles, one owner, fleet maintained, ready to go to work. PTO button stroke there, cruise control as well. This truck is currently in inspection, was just inspected last year. Again, my name is Anthony Rubio with American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this truck. We go ahead and switch to our drone to get aerial coverage of the truck operating the boom and dump. If you have any other questions or want to see anything specific, just give me a call. Again, my number is listed on the bottom. I'll gladly help you, and we can get you in this truck. Financing is as quick as 2 days. As long as everything checks out quick, we get you guys in this truck and get you working. Give me a call. Thank you. you.